Hello everyone, Dr. IK here today. This is my new video channel on the internet, which I will be posting videos on gizmos, gadgets, all kind of tech related items. Anyways, I was thinking about what I could do for my first video, and I had this alarm clock planned for quite a while now. So this is the product. I believe it's a 2007 Audiosonic digital alarm clock. I think I got it for actually a Christmas present back in 2007, but just gonna do a quick go over and review. I'll have a proper photo right here, but I'll also try to link where you can pick up and purchase one of these for yourself. So just looking over at it, we do have we have about, give or take, roughly 5 buttons on the top of these. As you can see on the far right, we've got a snooze button. So if you wake up and you want to snooze, I'm just gonna click it really quick. I will plug this in after. So moving around to the actual back of it. Right here is a compartment for a 9-volt battery. So if you don't want to use the plug that came with it, you need it on the go, there is a good viable option for you. Moving to the left side of the box, you can see there is on and off button. I could be wrong, but just by looking at it, it's tricky, but I think that may be for an alarm setting. I could be wrong, but comment down below if what you think it could be. No, I do not have the original packaging for this product. That's because I got it in 2007, but I will try and find a proper photo that I will put right here of it. But overall, I can't really be bothered to plug it in, but you can tell it, obviously, it's an alarm clock. But overall, I must say I think Audiosonic have outdone themselves again with an amazing, viable, on the go 9-volt battery, on the go, small but very, very efficient and very effective alarm clock. Good job, Audiosonic. Very, very happy with this product. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends if you want to. Please comment any reviews you would like to see in the near future. Overall, good product. Very much enjoy it.